Hi viewers, this mushroom curry is very easy to prepare and the best option to serve the vegetarians. Let's see the recipe. Whenever I could not find the normal mushrooms in the vegetable shop, I used this particular brand, that is Morton mushrooms. You can see the ingredients here. These are very well preserved with salt, and once it is bought, it should be consumed within 2 days. I have already used half of the box yesterday, and now I'm cooking again. Since it contains more salt, wash it thoroughly. I have washed 3 times. Mushrooms are rich in calcium. They are low calorie food and free of cholesterol. So regular consumption of mushrooms help us in building muscles and bones. Take fresh water and boil the mushrooms. Meanwhile, we'll see the ingredients. Take 3 tomatoes, 2 medium sized onions, 6 to 7 garlic cloves, 1 chilli, and 2 inches ginger. Add ginger, garlic, and chilies into a mixer jar and grind them into a thick paste. We will add onions and tomatoes later because it takes less time. Take few onions and keep the rest for frying. Add full tomato pieces into the mixer jar and grind them well. This is how tomato puree looks like. See, the mushrooms are almost boiled. Strain the water and take away the mushrooms. I really love cutting the mushrooms this way. Cut across the mushroom into 4 pieces. Now we will prepare the paste of spices. 1 spoon chili powder and add 1 spoon salt. This is the homemade garam masala paste. I usually store it in refrigerator. So adding 1 spoon of garam masala paste and 1 spoon roasted cumin powder. For better taste, I am adding this Achi biryani masala, 1 spoon. Add water and make it into a thick paste. This we will use a little later. Take a kadai, add 2 spoons of oil. Since I am using this spoon, you can consider it as 4 tablespoons of oil. Add cashews and fry it well. When it turns golden yellow, take out the cashews. Now add mushrooms and fry them well. Take out the mushrooms also. This is how mushrooms look like while frying. Now add the onions into the same oil. Give it a mix. Add 2 pinches of turmeric. Mix it well. Add the paste of spices. Cook for 2 minutes. See, the mixture has become thick. Now it's time to add mushroom pieces. Mix it well and cook for 2 minutes. Then add tomato puree. Give it a mix. Add roasted cashews. Then add water. I have used glass of water, approximately 200 ml. Now you can see the oil bubbles. So the curry is ready. Add coriander. I have less coriander. You use more coriander. Yeah, mushroom curry is ready. It's really yummy. My family liked it very much and we ate this with parota. Add 4 drops of lemon. It gives more taste. If you like the recipe, like, share and comment on the video. Thank you.